First of all, how would you define context-aware computing?
Context-aware computing is to use ambient information to give the right information to the right user at the right time. So it's kind of a next generation of search. Imagine you go to a big train station or an airport or a city that you're not very familiar with. The classical model of mobile usability is that you will search for something on your keyboard, or you go to Google. You're basically using a query to retrieve information. What we did is that you can use your camera. Let's say you are at that train station, you're late for your train, you don't know where to go. You will point your camera on the marker on the floor, and we will tell you which direction to go to.
That's very cool.
So it's customized. Different passengers will get different set of information from that marker. This can be printed on the floors, let's say at Union Station in Toronto. It could be on a billboard, it could be on a t-shirt, but it's just a pattern on that paper that the camera recognizes. It will match it with your profile, your itinerary, or whatever, and then it will give you that overlaid information. We also used it for museums. So let's say you go to, a museum, you look at this Tintin painting, you don't know much about it, you want to know which book this is coming from, and get customized information about it. So you will, you will point it towards the marker, and we will tell you this is coming from 1976 in Belgium, and it's from this book. Another application I can show you is something that we call it the conference assistant, which is again based on the same platform. So imagine you go to a conference, one of these huge conferences, and you keep exchanging business cards. And you know what many people do, then they will go home, add that to a LinkedIn account or their online contact list. Whereas what we did, we came up with these unique markers. So when you register for a conference, we will print these unique codes on the back of the badge. So let's say this is a kiosk at a conference.
With a video camera?
Yeah, you and I will meet, and then we will point the badge in front of the camera for 4 seconds. And now we exchange an email within the cloud, shared our information. We can connect it to Facebook now, LinkedIn, add it to your phone book. So if I check my email in the next minute, I have an email from you or whoever I use the badge, and I can keep that email. So we automate the process. But again, it's using the same paradigm, the messaging paradigm that we built as part of the platform.